Hey guys, what's up? It's my channel Budget Auto Tips here with a little tip for you guys. If you guys are like me and you don't like wasting a lot of time, you don't feel like raising an engine to change a belt, I got some advice for you guys. So check it here, guys. You got this is a 07 Chevy Cobalt, and to do the belt on this one, the tensioner is like right down there, like under the motor mounts. And a lot of people on YouTube are saying you have to lift the engine or take the motor mounts off, but if you're like me, you don't want to do either of those things. And I got a little bit of a tip for you guys. I was able to get the belt off without having to do either of those things. It just requires one special tool. And you want to start by taking your beauty cover off of the engine. Then you're going to want to go ahead and take the airbox out. It's just going to be 2 of these bolts right here. You're going to use a 10. Get those a deep socket or a wrench, up to you guys. So you're going to take these little nuts off, I meant. Right here. Take them off. Then you're going to go ahead and pull out the airbox. Just held down here. On one more bolt. No biggie. Unscrew that guy, pull it off. And go down here. Alright guys, you're gonna jack up the car. Jack stand for safety, guys. E-brake on. The more jacks you got, the better. The safer it's gonna be, guys. But basically you're gonna want this special tool here. I got it from Amazon. I'll go ahead and link it in the description below. But basically what it is it's a belt tool, but it can fold. And you're gonna want to make sure you get the right one. Get the one that I linked, because I got a few other ones that ended up having a 1/2 inch drive, and that doesn't fit in the Cobalt tensioner. You need a 3/8. So anyways, I went ahead and got it in this shape right here, as you guys can see up there. Let's see if I can get some light for you. So you guys can see I have it right there in the tensioner. I didn't have to lift the engine or nothing. I just got it lifted by this guy right here. And as you guys can see, I already started getting the belt off. So if you guys want to go ahead and do the belt service on your Cobalt without having to lift your engine or take the motor mounts off, anything crazy like that, just go ahead and buy this tool, guys. I think it was about 20 bucks or something like that. Save yourself the headache and get in there. And just remember, this shape here, guys, is the one that I used to get there. There's another way you could do it if you have the handle going upwards this way, but this is the easiest way. And you're gonna want to make sure that you get the drive in there. It's got a little it's got one of those little what do they call them? It's got like one of those little studs that comes out, so it keeps it in place just like any other Ratchet. And with this, you'll be able to either use the handle to leverage it, or you could go ahead and pull on the bar up here just to make sure you keep it in place. And you should be able to get the belt off, guys. And that's pretty much it. I'll go ahead and throw the new belt on and show you guys that when it's done. But if you guys are wondering, this is the easiest way to do this without having to worry about damaging your motor or anything else by trying to lift it. Alright guys, I'll be right back with the belt on. Alright guys, I'm back up under the Cobalt, and as you guys can see, I have the new belt on there. Let's see if I can get you guys a better angle. So I got it right there, there, and around. And pretty much, guys, for this one, you're just going around all the pulleys and under the tensioner, and it's gonna end up looking like a backwards L shape. Well, once you get that done, you're good to go. Alright guys, and again, I just used this special tool to move it, and I had an assistant help me get the belt on up there. So if you have a second person who could spare a couple minutes, have them help you. And if you're going to route it, I would route it around the bottom 2 pulleys first. So I went ahead and went around here, around the AC pulley, better. Yeah, around the AC pulley. And I actually went under the tensioner. And then after that, I had the assistant hold it for a second while I moved the tensioner, and they just pulled it up and around the alternator. Now, I don't know if that's the way most people do it, but we made it work, and it's on there now, so we got a new belt. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. If you guys want to see more tips on car related stuff and on a budget, go ahead and drop me a like, a subscribe. Go ahead and hit me with any comments if you guys have any questions or concerns. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. You guys have a good one. Bye-bye.